So the interview process starts off with some basic questions like how long have they lived in Latrobe Valley, where do they work, etc. This is just to establish their place and position in the community. Then I move to the main questions, which is asking them if they've heard of the term just transition, what it means to them, and what do they think the term means to the broader community. And finally, if there's anything they think the government could do to better support the community in a just transition to a fair, renewables-based economy. I understand there are not a lot of questions, and I have stretched the length of each interview to about 40 minutes. This is where active and reflective listening comes into play, um, and following up with questions and prompts. I sort of have to pilot the conversation and stretch the length of an interview with the good content and at the same time not drifting away from the research question. So I'm using this device. It's called Zoom H1 Handy Recorder. I'm storing the audio recordings for it to be transcribed. It can be done in few ways. Either we play back the audio and write word by word, which would be very time consuming, or there are many software applications that we can use that converts audio to text. The one recommended by a mentor is called NVivo. Once the transcription is done, then we can move on to the data analysis.